Hello boys and girls, welcome to our final episode of Kids Gardening Quest. My name is Uncle Papaya. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to keep your plants happy. We're going to look at some garden pests and what we can do to get rid of them. Yeah? Okay, come, follow me right now. Hey girl, how are you doing today? Not good? Why? Pests? Oh no. Now one of the reasons why a plant may appear to be sad, not happy looking, sickly looking even. Now, reason could be they are under attack by pests. So what we're going to do today, we're going to look at some of these pests, we're going to examine this plant a little bit more and see what we can do to treat this plant, yeah? So, okay kids, today we're going to look at 3 common pests. Mealybugs being one, some like fine caterpillars, and ants. Now, if you look very closely at mealybugs, how do we spot them, yeah? You notice they're white, kind of fuzzy looking, they're soft, they may be waxy, they look a little bit like cotton. When you see something like this, you know that this poor girl here is being infected by mealybugs. Now what about caterpillars? You have a plant, you look at the leaves, you might see holes or bite marks, and likely you have a problem with caterpillars. Now ants could also be another common pest. Find them crawling around, you see them crawling up plants. And when you see an ant nest, the best thing to do would be to change your potting mix. Insects? No problem. Let's look for the cure. Okay, boys and girls, now here we are at the pesticide and fertilizer section. Now, always remember, when you're watering your plants, always good to check them thoroughly for insects or bugs. Yeah? When you spot them, you could treat them. Right. Now, we have the insect spray, and you have problem with ants. This is good. Now, for mealybugs, you might want to try neem oil or white oil. This is ready to use. Neem oil, the spray on the leaf, even on the underside of the leaf, on the stems or new growth, where you find mealybugs. Now what neem oil does is that they suffocate the mealybugs and they kind of stop up their breathing pause, but they can't breathe and they die. And that's how we get rid of them. For caterpillars, insect spray. This organic insecticide, even for caterpillars. And another thing to note, kid, you want to apply the insecticide in the cooler part of the day, like the early morning or the evening, in order to avoid causing injury to your plant. Okay, kids, things to note here before applying chemicals. 1, if you can, wear your gloves. 2, always have your mom or your dad with you to supervise you. 3, read the instructions very, very carefully on the bottles, on the containers. Yeah. And 4, do not forget to wash your hands after using the chemicals. Alright kids, we've come to the final episode of Keep the Plant Happy. Do you remember before we go, there are fun worksheets to download here. So all you got to do is hit the description below. And remember to tag your completed worksheet to our Instagram. And then you will stand the chance of winning our attractive herb gardening kit. Do remember to like, follow, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We hope you enjoyed the gardening journey with us, and you pick up a skill or 2.